it comes to potatoes, why not pick the beautiful purple ones? Today I'm sharing my recipe for purple potato salad. You start by cutting the potatoes in half. The dark purple color is not only beautiful, but it's also a sign these potatoes are loaded in the antioxidants called anthocyanins. Rather than boiling the potatoes, we're going to steam them to retain the nutrient content. So you want to put a little bit of water in a pot and then put the potatoes over a steaming rack. Steam them for 15 minutes or until they're nice and tender. Meanwhile, we're going to work on making a delicious lemon garlic dressing. Start with a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. The best olive oils come in dark glass bottles. Next, we're going to add the zest of a lemon. Lemon zest is loaded in antioxidants and polyphenols. Then I add 2 cloves of garlic, which I like to put through a garlic press. Then we're going to add some finely diced purple onions. What's amazing is all of these ingredients in the dressing are loaded in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory benefits. Then we're going to add some finely chopped cilantro and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Both of these ingredients are great detoxifiers in the body. The bright combination of flavors in this dressing is absolutely delicious. So give it a good stir and then add in your purple potatoes. Purple potatoes are a great source of resistant starches and fiber for your microbiome. They also are a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and trace minerals like selenium. Not to mention, they really brighten up your plate and look beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Hope you have a great day.